CMMI, Capability Maturity Model Integration, is a collection of best practices, a global model which provides organization with a roadmap to implement disciplined and consistent processes. So we took very practical approach in implementing CMMI in our organization. We firstly partnered with a consultant from CMMI Institute and then went through a CMMI training to understand the model better, the solution it provides. So all of us, including program management, project management, technical leadership, QA leadership, BA leadership, everybody went to this training, and then we formed process action teams from them, and they are the people who actually started finding out the solution out of the model and implementing the processes. So along the journey, we defined our life cycles, templates, guidelines, process databases, measurement databases, and put them all of them together into a quality management system called Aurora. So any project that runs in at ADL takes Aurora as the base and tailor their project processes and follow. So we also wanted to try out a pilot with few projects because it's an inspect and adapt approach we wanted to follow. And we got feedback and we refined our processes along the way. And I'm very happy to see that the process is becoming habitual and persistent now. We are receiving very good feedback from the project teams that it is helping when they are in delivery.
Process adherence is a critical success factor for a project manager. CMMI version 2.0 process molded all my projects towards a higher delivery maturity while satisfying customers. And the other key important thing is about metrics. It helps me to collect data, analyze data, and to take collective decisions as a project manager.
The appraisal was a detailed assessment done spanning for 10 days where the teams had to explain out the processes in detail, such as rationale for estimations, risk management, and root cause analysis, along with how it helped us to achieve delivery excellence throughout our project journeys.
In general, processes are alien for technical people like us. But CMMI is a helping hand to fix our weak areas. In technical aspects, processes like cause analysis, decision analysis, and resolution, CM plan are really helpful for us to get a better insight of the project to achieve the targets. For me, CMMI is not just a process, it's a software best practice for all of us to deliver a better software project.
CMMI has been personally a mind-blowing experience for me, and as a QA lead, the biggest benefit I see is that we were able to come up with one single QA process that was accepted by all tracks and implemented by all projects, reviews, and even all locations.
So one of the key improvement points was to the existing functional requirement specification, that also from a non-functional requirement point of view, where we incorporated a lot of security-related aspects, reliability-related aspects, performance-related aspects into these existing functional requirement specification, which would eventually help the development team and even the customers, since they will get to know what they are getting. So this functional requirement specification we were able to enhance because of these best practices that came out from the CMMI process, and we were able to incorporate them into our documents.
As I'm leading the technical side of the projects, this has helped myself and my fellow engineers to drive these projects with a higher standard and higher quality with data-driven sites.
The CMMI process, our prediction is so straightforward, and we know that what we are going to have. That is a key benefit that we have gained from the CMMI. And then the assurance of the projects. So it is in terms of the assurance of the quality, the assurance of time delivery, and the assurance of the cost effectiveness.
The beauty of CMMI is it can be tailored, which is kind of ideal situation for ADL as a startup young organization. Then we rallied together, the entire ADL rallied together and customized, tailored the CMMI processes, documents, artifacts to our own benefit, to ADL way of working.
It has been a wonderful journey. One key thing, not only internally us but externally, everyone will understand that we are up to international internally, I think it's a transformation from where we were. CMMI journey has really helped us as a team together to realize and improve the gaps and this standard point of view.
At ADL, we are really proud that our engineers took the liberty to claim the first Sri Lankan company to achieve CMMI version 2 level 3. This is a great accreditation to our engineers' capability and commitment.